After selling out in Japan, we're excited to introduce Moflin globally. A smart companion powered by AI with emotional capabilities that evolve like those of a living animal. Moflin is inspired by small animals, but not based on any specific one. We want each owner to use their imagination. That's why they only have eyes and no other facial features. Their soft warmth and gentle breathing are designed to create a sense of charm and affection. With their own internal biorhythms, Moflin develops a unique personality over time and will begin to recognize you, showing gestures of attachment and soft responsive sounds when you're nearby. We focused on making a size that feels naturally lovable. Shaped like an egg, even their charging station is designed to feel natural and alive. Moflin continues to evolve through regular app updates. Owners can discover their Moflin's unique traits and see how their moods change over time. Moflin isn't just an AI device. They're a companion. They adapt to your lifestyle and provide an emotional connection. If over time Moflin become a quiet companion who gently stay by your side and lift your spirits in daily life, nothing would make us happier. Your smart companion, Moflin responds, understands, and grows with you.